All right.
I'm done. Hey Fays, welcome back. It's Living for the City. I'm Sharice, and as you can see from the title, we're doing some home redecorating here. So it has been a couple weeks now. We are still living through this COVID-19 stay-at-home kind of self-quarantining process, and I'm gonna have to get used to it. And getting used to it means that I have to get a home work office area that is gonna work for me, because currently I usually go into the office every day, and so now that I'm not going into the office, I'm working from home, and I need a space that is gonna work for me to be able to do this on a more a little bit of a longer term basis. And as us city dwellers know, when you are renting and you are in an apartment in the city, you don't have much real estate. No pun intended. You know, our size of an apartment is really small, and so we don't have the opportunity to just throw an office together. We don't have extra bedrooms to be able to just, you know, come up with an office real quick. So it's really important that we are mindful of our space and mindful of how we are creating these home offices all of a sudden. And so I got a desk, I got a corner, which is right behind me. I got a corner and a desk, and we're gonna make this work. We're gonna come up with the cutest little office slash workspace area, because I'm going to be working from home for a while. So here we go. Let's see how this turns out. Oh my God. Okay, so it's done. That was touch and go for a second. I have like boxes everywhere, so you're gonna have to forgive me. Here's the box for it. But okay, so here's the desk. It is so cute. So I actually have this cute little chair that I got from where did I get this one from? I want to say I got it from Overstock or something, but it's a cute gosh, velvety chair. It's so soft. But I'm gonna use that. I didn't want to get a rolly chair, so it's a regular old like dining room chair. I didn't want to get a rolly chair because of the rug. The desk is all together. I'm so excited. So time to decorate. Okay, faves, so I think I'm done with almost everything. There's a couple other things that I want to do. I have some lights that I want to put up, like little string lights and stuff, so I do want to do that, but for the most part, I think this is it. So what do you think? It's a cute little area. I hung up some cool little things I got from Target, and then a piece of artwork that I got not too long ago at an event. But I feel like this is perfect for, you know, if you're just trying to stay home and stay safe, then, you know, I got my mouse pad, this cute little mouse pad, mouse, and then my laptop will be here. All of the things that I need are here. A stapler, tape dispenser, and I have some more. I'm gonna put like my post-it notes here. I have more. These are ones I have, but I do have more than that. So I'll put those right there. You know, every little thing you'll need for your at work, you know what I mean, throughout the day. Little drawer here, so anything that I don't, I'm not gonna use right now, I'm just gonna throw in there. Actually, I have a little plant down here, but I am gonna put one on my desk. I have a couple that I want to put up there. All right, Faye, so I hope that you like my cute little workspace that I have going on here. It's gonna be perfect for me as I work from home for the next few weeks. And so I hope that you like it. Tell me in the comments below what your new home workspace looks like if you had to create one like I did. Let me know. And I thank you so very much for joining me this week. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. And then you can follow me on Instagram for my day-to-day highlights. I'm at living_for_the_city. You can also like me on Facebook at living for the city 77. Until next week, bye.